contingency plans how to develop, then insurance systems to the people, then flexible natural resources guides, then improper infrastructure and capacity buildings. All this required when you are looking into the maybe the extreme events that are coming, and there is temperature in the summer and heat waves also is one of the aspects. Again, all of you know IPCC how they are doing the risk reactance, everything preparedness, and if you have a rise in 1.5 degree in global warming in multiple decades, then what is your strategy for the biodiversity and mostly fisheries in the system also. And all of you know there are from climate risk to climate resilience, we should develop what are the species, their resilience in nature. That maybe Indian major crops like Rohu, Katla, and Riga that have a greater impact into the system and the consumption pattern. May not breed because of delayed monsoon or early monsoon. We should have alternate species like minnows, maybe if you have the live fishes like your snakeheads or morels, anabas, or medium carps that can be brought into the systems. And these are the UFs you could see in climate change in various ecosystems. And that where you will see, even if we have like Purulia and other places, you will see with the dry climate regions, the water retention is very difficult. We should have developed like in Bengal there is a band breeding, the first breeding for Indian carp that in Bankura district we should have a preparedness also how to sustain this type of breeding in this country. Again, if you look into this reproductive biology, definitely reproductive biology, fecundity of the river and fishes have been getting worsened, and if the breeding period has been reduced in Channa punctatus, extended breeding periods like your IMC and other species. So now if you see breeding change found in the hills and upper, if you see nowadays when you are going for ranching program across the Farakka village, we are seeing with the weight groups, early maturation is found, maybe 32 to 60 grams size of each of these.